Welcome. Let's see what it is for, and how to use this medicine.
Spedra, 100 milligrams, tablets. Avanafil.
Spedra contains the active substance avanafil. Spedra is a treatment for adult men suffering from erectile dysfunction, also known as impotence. This is when you cannot get, or keep a hard, erect penis suitable for sexual activity.
It is important to note that Spedra only works if you are sexually stimulated.
This increases the blood flow into your penis, helping it stay hard and erect when you get sexually excited.
Spedra can be taken with or without food.
If taken with food, it may take longer to work.
The recommended dose is a 100 milligrams tablet, as needed.
You should take Spedra about 15 to 30 minutes before you have sexual intercourse.
Dose adjustments can also be required by your doctor if Spedra is too weak or too strong, or if it is used together with certain other medicines.
You should not take Spedra more than once a day.
Common side effects include
headache, flushing, nasal congestion.
You may check the complete list of side effects in the full package leaflet.
Physicians should consider the cardiovascular status of their patients since there is a degree of cardiac risk associated with sexual activity.
Do not take Spedra if you have a serious cardiac problem, if you have had a stroke or heart attack in the last 6 months, if you have low blood pressure or high blood pressure not controlled by medicines, if you have chest pain, angina, or you get chest pain during sexual intercourse, if you have a serious liver or kidney problem, if you have loss of vision in one eye due to not enough blood getting to your eye.
Do not take Spedra if you are taking nitrate medicines for chest pain, angina. Spedra can increase the effects of these medicines and severely lower your blood pressure.
You may check the complete list of restrictions in the full package leaflet.
If you are not sure, talk to your doctor or pharmacist before taking Spedra.
If you like this video, please support the creation of new content by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
You can check the full package leaflet information in the following video.